Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Oxygen sensor fuse, guys. On your Ford F-150, we'll demonstrate on a 2016 model. You will have two fuse boxes, guys, but we'll need to work on the fuse box that's located right under the hood. If you open the hood on your F-150, right behind the car battery, right there, guys, let me zoom in so we can clearly see that. You will have a fuse box, that's the cover. You open that cover, guys, and once you open the cover, you will see a fuse box that looks just like this one. This one will be towards the front of your F-150. This is towards the windshield. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, guys, okay, you guys see that you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really hard to find in the middle of nowhere. Small towns, you may have limited access to those, or they can be really overpriced at the parts store. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses and relays at a good price, quick shipping. You can save quite a bit. Keep some spares in the glove box for a peace of mind. The fuse that we need for the oxygen sensors will be in that, guys, fuse panel here. If we come in the right side, starting from the very bottom, counting fuse number 2, 1, 2. That fuse right here, it's known as fuse number 95. It's a 25 amp fuse in our case, guys. That will be the fuse that you will need to check specifically.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.